Da, 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 da. Feel like falling deeper, colder nights.
Hey guys, good morning. Hope you guys are doing good. So today is Monday. It is a Monday morning, okay? And I have an event. Yes, me and Monday events. I don't understand. It's not my fault. But I have an event to attend this morning. Time was supposed to be for 11 a.m. This is 11:15. Alma has just taken it back. Okay, so this event is actually hosted by Nestle. Nestle, they are launching their new sparkling water in Abuja today, and they invited me for the event, so I'll be going there. Let me just go and see what's going on there, you know. And of course, I usually attend events like this for the purpose of networking, which is really good. So yeah, anyways, just to do very quick makeup and I will head out. It's happening at Fraser Suites. Yeah, anyways, let me get ready and then we go. All right.
Baby, can't you come with me? Can't you hold my hand and lead? 근데 있잖아, 너라면 다를까 생각이 들어. 해볼까 말까 내 다리가 걸어가는 방향이 어딘지 서로 궁금해져 버려. 애써 마음 졸여.
Alright, I'm ready guys. I would have loved to wear like a proper heeled sandal, but my legs are aching me so bad. Last week my workouts were really rigid and the long walk again on Saturday with my mom and all that, so my legs are on fire. I have to go with this, to be honest, because I'm not about to die on top of fashion there. Or maybe I should wear the brown one. Nah, the black one is cool. The black one is cool. Okay, let's go guys. I'm already late. It's 12 noon. This thing started 1 hour ago. Let's just hope that African time people did not really come early like that. So yeah, let's go.
Baby, can't you come with me? Can't you hold my hand and lead? I just wanna know what you're thinking, wondering all day long. Not gonna do another pick and choosing. You and me in this song. 상상만으로도 좋은 상상만으로도 힘든 이중적인 면을 가지고 있어 사랑이라는 것.
Good morning guys, hope you guys are doing great. So really quickly, I just want to unbox this. This is the box that was given to me at the Nestle Pure Life Sparkling Water launch. That happened yesterday. You guys went along with me. So even though I went really late guys, like I went late, it was for 11, but before I was able to get to town, and you guys know I don't like speed when I'm driving. Before I got to town, it was literally like past 1 p.m. and the event was over. But yeah, I was able to meet one of their reps and all. I spent about 30 minutes there because everything was literally over. So anyways, this is the box that they gave to me. Nice big box. Okay, exciting. Okay, there's a card first. Let's open the card and see what it says. Okay, so it's basically just like an official IV. Join us as we unveil an exciting new addition to the MPL family. Okay, so this is more like the physical invitation. I think this was probably what they were giving out as invitation boxes to some people. I don't know. But anyways, yeah. Over here, this cute bottle. I love the colors so much. I love that it is still the Nestle Pure Life logo colors, the blue and pink. Really nice for my workouts, my water while I'm working out. Next, there is a pack of these. I believe these are nuts, assorted nuts like raisins, almonds. Nice. These are basically like nuts and dry fruits, cashew nuts, almonds, raisins, pistachio, all of that is here, and it's a whole big box of that. And then, wow, this is very exciting. Over here, this is the Fitbit Inspire 2. It's a fitness tracker, and it also checks the heart rate and all of that. I'm so excited for this. I do have a smartwatch from Cherry Lifestyle, and I'm glad to actually add this to my collection of smart watches as well. Thank you so much to Nestle Pure Life for this gorgeous box. And yeah guys, I'm just going to take a shower right now. I have a fun collaboration about to happen today. You guys will meet them. You guys would have already seen the video by the time this vlog is going on, but you'll meet them anywho when they get here. And yeah guys, let me go and bath. Long day ahead.
Much later.
Guys, we just finished filming with the beautiful Bella and the beautiful Tara. Oh, guys, we had a blast. By the time this vlog is going up, you would have seen that video. We had fun, and now we're about to eat. Okay, about to have chops, about to have drinks, and all that good stuff. You know me now, hostess with the mostess.
Why don't you get it by now? Tell me what you learned in grade school. Give it to me like you want it. Did you forget that code? Why is our love it one-sided? It should really be give and take. Fill you up and leave me empty. Baby, was that my mistake? Covering these feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad right now, I can't even think straight. So I'ma just tweet it and delete.
Guys, so Tara and Bella just left not too long ago. It's almost time for me to go and do school run. This is almost 2 p.m. It's almost time. So yeah, but before I go and pick Mia Rose from school, I just wanted to quickly unbox some items I got recently. I got some things from Chantel Chic Stars. I hope I pronounced it correctly. Chantel's Chic Stars, and it's owned by Chantel Anyanwu here on YouTube. I decided to just patronize her business. You know, I haven't bought anything from her brand like ever since she launched this brand, so I decided to just patronize her brand. So they came in a while ago, but to be honest guys, I've not even had time to even really properly go through the contents of this bag. So that is what I'm going to be doing like right about now. So I ordered like 3 different outfits, and I think one is a blouse and 2 are sets. You guys know that I've become very obsessed with sets recently, so I got 2 sets and I got 1 blouse. So I'm going to open them one after the other. First thing I got is this pink set. It is a shorts and shirt set. I think I saw her wear this in one of her vlogs or so, if I remember correctly. I just love it because one, it's pink, guys. My favorite color is pink. My best color ever in the whole wide world is pink. So that was the one thing that drew me to this set, and because it is like shorts and a shirt, really love that. Oh, there's a card here. Oh, this card is so cute. It says thank you for supporting my small business. Oh, and there's a note at the back. Beautiful Alma, hope you love the new occupants of your wardrobe. Thank you so much. I snuck in a little gift for Mia Rose. Fingers crossed she loves it. Oh, thank you, Chantel. It's a gift for Mia. I can see the gift. Hey, anyway, let's talk about this one first. So it's a shorts and shirt set, like I said. So this is what the shirt looks like. You guys know that I love oversized clothes. Like, it's not the first time. I love my clothes a bit oversized. I feel like when it comes to clothes, for me, comfy clothes are a must. This one is in a size 0XL, which is what I would tilt a lot more towards when I'm shopping on Shein. And then this is the shorts. Hopefully this won't be too big for me, hopefully, but I already love the vibe. And the shorts has pockets. I love it already. These two together. When is the next event happening? Let me rock this cute pink number. I can't wait. Then I got another set, which is more of a casual set. It's not like casual, but yeah, I can wear it literally like anywhere, running of errands, or even to like dress up properly. I can feel me as gift. So it is this set. It's like a tie and dye set. So this is what the t-shirt looks like. Really pretty, really cute. I love the print. It's so cute. 0XL. I think I'll start buying my clothes from Shein in 0XL because I usually buy 1XL and they're usually too big most times, so I'll just stick to 0XL. I love the shorts. This is what the shorts look like. So cute. This one too, I can easily dress up with sneakers or maybe like low heels or mules. In that same bag she put something for me. Do you guys know that I've been wanting to get, you know, new slippers for her? Like her old slippers, she has outgrown it. She still wears it though, but she has outgrown it and it's even worn out and stuff. So I've been saying I'll go and find slippers. Most of the stores I enter to look for, I did not find, and maybe this is the reason why I didn't find, because somebody wanted to gift me this cute one. Oh, thank you so much, Chantel. Mia would love this, and these would definitely size her. This is so cute, and it has this nice cute flamingo. It's so pretty. I can't wait for her to try this on. So cute. Thank you, Chantel. Thank you so much. And the last item I got is a blouse. What drew me to this blouse was the color, this nice blue color, and the lace on the sleeve was what also made me want to get it. So it is this nice blouse as well, right? So this is what it looks like. Very pretty, and look at that sleeve. Gorgeous, so flipping cute. This one is also in a 0XL. This is cute. Imagine if I bought this in a 1XL, so that'd been too big, but this is just beautiful. I love the shade of blue. It has a very nice vibe. I love this so much. I can't wait to wear this and tuck it in with like a pair of jeans. Like, I feel like a pair of jeans will go well with this blouse. So pretty. These are really cute stuff. Thank you so much, Chantel, for being sweet. Chantel is like the best, one of the best brands I've seen out there. Chantel Chic Stars rather, that has amazing customer service. Like, me and Chantel know each other like as per YouTuber club, YouTuber gang and everything, YouTuber friends, and she was still talking to me on her business page, calling me ma'am. Yes ma'am, what's your phone number ma'am? Gonna be this price ma'am. I'm like, who is ma'am? It's me, it's Alma. But that's how seriously she takes her customer service, and that's amazing. So keep up the good work, darling, and let God keep giving us money so that we can be patronizing small brands and all that. So yeah, I love this beautiful packaging. Everything is just nice. I'm happy with my order. Pleasantly happy. All right, so let me go and get Mia Rose from school, and I shall get on with the rest of my day. All right,
the next day.
Hi guys, hope you guys are doing good. So today is Saturday and we are in my parents' place. We've been here since like 1 p.m. Momsy is not even around. My dad is out of town. Momsy is not around. Why? Because she doesn't stay in her house, guys. She doesn't stay in one place. TV. But anyway guys, so we've been here since like 1 p.m. Momsy is not even back. It's almost 5 p.m. at this point. I didn't get to thank you guys for 19k subscribers. Thank you guys so much for 19k subscribers. I'm super duper happy about that. If you are new to my channel, welcome to the gang. Welcome to the Alma gang, the Alma clan, whatever it is you guys call it. Some people even call it Alma Nights. I see you all and I love all the names. I love it. Okay, thank you so much for 19k subbies, guys. We are less than 1,000 subscribers away from 20k, which is like this year's goal. So please, if you're still watching and you're not subscribed, I beg you, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, more content coming. I'm getting ready for Vlogmas. It's gonna be back-to-back hotness up in here. Okay, and also I think there's also a video that went viral recently as well, semi-viral, has way over 120,000 views. The all-white party I went to with my mom. You guys watched that video, and of course it still went semi-viral. I'm so happy about that. The RPM for that video was actually quite low. Very low, like $2, but I'm not complaining. You can't win big all the time, so it's still a win for me. That's like the first 100k video this year alone, and I'm so happy. Yeah, but thank you guys so much for all the love, all your support so far. I do not take it for granted, guys. I do not. I'll see and talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.
Fill you up and leave me empty. Baby, was that my mistake? Covering this feeling.